back to another live. Let's get started right now. Let's see what's good. So we can see right here, super trend is red. And if we go to the raise bars, that's exactly what we're looking for. So we can see we were in an uptrend and now we're starting this downtrend again. So that was a good pullback. Let's enter a sell trade. I just entered a short position. I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit. Really simple right here. I'm just going to click and drag this up and we'll set it to 1,000. You can see right there, $1,000 for our stop loss, and then click and drag this down to $1,000 for our take profit. So this is a $1,000 trade that we're just doing right now in front of you guys. There we go. So it's actually really easy to set your stop loss and take profit. If you're not setting it, then I know that you are losing money. That's what's going to happen if you don't set your stop loss and profit. Because whatever you think is going to actually happen, the market really just does the exact opposite. That's just what it works. So you really need to learn how to do the opposite of what you think you should be doing. Because that's really whatever you're thinking, that's not an original idea. You know what I mean? So whatever you're thinking, that's exactly what everybody else is also thinking. If you are thinking that, oh, I think the market is going to go up, or I think Bitcoin is going to spend like 100,000 or $1 million, everyone else is also thinking that. But in reality, what's actually happening is all of the people who have billions of dollars who actually have money, what they're doing is they're just trading against you, and obviously they're going to win. So how is it that we are able to make money every day trading? It's because we're just trying to catch these small moves. Most people, when they're trading, which I know a lot of you guys, when you guys are trading, what you're trying to do is catch thousands and thousands and thousands of points. But I know that that's not going to work because I've tried that. And what happens is, let's say you enter long term. I know a lot of people want to do like swing trades. You're probably wondering, what are swing trades? Swing trades basically when you hold a trade for a long period of time, if it's like a couple days, weeks, or months even. And what's happening is a lot of people think that they can catch massive moves when they're trying to do swing trades. But in reality, what's actually happening is you'll hold a trade for like a few weeks, and then something will happen, some announcement will be made, and then you're going to get kicked out of that position. So let's see, there's our trade right there, there's our stop loss, there is our take profit. So we're having this nice little pullback here that you guys can see. And for everybody who's just joining the live, welcome HSM, welcome Adrian, welcome to Rob, to H. How are you guys doing? So right here we can see we're getting another pullback, but the super trend is red. So what are we going to do? We're going to enter a sell trade, a short position. There we go. And now when we enter this sell trade, that's our second sell trade, our second short position. And what I will do is set my stop loss and take profit. So it's very easy. I just click and drag this up to 1,000, and I just click and I drag this down to 1,000. Alright, so these are a $1,000 trade that we have open, and we're just going to let this ride out. So basically what I'm here doing is explaining to you guys how I trade. I've been trading for a really long time, and the main thing that I want you guys to understand is that now there are automated trading bots that are available where it will trade for you. Now, how do you do that? A lot of people still think they need to know how to code, know how to be deep in the matrix, but actually all you have to do is on Avado, if you click trading bots, and then you can click trading bot editor. What's up King of Hearts, what's up 5Z, what's up Karambir? All you have to do is you go right here to create trading bot, is click this button, create trading bot on Avado, and then you can just name this whatever you want. Let's say we can just name this like level 9,000 strategy. Okay, so level 9,000 strategy. I'm going to show you how we can make this an automated trading strategy. Now we just click create with wizard, click add positions, and then let's say we pick the easiest one is always RSI, because it's so easy to tell, when the RSI is oversold or overbought. So what we do is RSI is if the RSI is, let's say, less than or equal to a constant number, and let's make that number 30. So if the RSI drops below 30, this bot that we're creating right now will automatically enter a buy trade. Then we just click add, right? And once we click add, it's going to create this bot, and we don't have to know how to code. We can actually just do it right here, and we can make unlimited bots, which is insane. And then you just click add, and then once you X out of this, what's going to happen is right here under trading bots, if you go right here to the top right corner, under trading bots, your custom bots will be there. So we've been making a few bots, as you guys can see right here, and you can test them, you can set them and launch them on any of the different pairs that are available here. So you guys can get started right away. And guys, there we go. Finally, the trade. Let's see how our trades are doing. Not bad at all. So we entered these 2 trades, guys, and they're basically just breaking even. Oh, there we go. Now we are in profit. So congratulations to everybody following along. The first trade is at around -120, but the second trade we just entered on that pullback, the second trade we just entered on the pullback is at $200 in profit. Congratulations. Now we can see the super trend is still red, so we're just going to let this ride out and see what happens. Now for anyone who wants to learn, who wants to get started, all you have to do is go to the link in the bio, and there's basically 2 main links that are there. The first link is about our trading platform. The second link is the JST screen range bars, which is right here. Now over here, let me walk you guys through this. So this runs on all of the different pairs and markets, all of the major pairs. Now, how do the range bars work? They're so different that if you look at these candles right here, there's no way to actually understand what's happening in the market. But if you look at the range bars, it's actually really easy to tell. For example, this pair right up here, you can see we were in a downtrend, we reversed, and now we are going into an uptrend. Over here, we can see, we were in a downtrend, we got this reversal. We're getting this reversal here again, and basically what we're looking for are the reversals on the range bars to show us where exactly to enter. So basically right here, we can see we're in an uptrend. Right here we reverse. This is where I'd be looking for a short position. And then on the opposite end right here, this is where I'd be looking for a long position. Alright, now the trade is let's just see what happens with this trade. We entered 2 short positions. The reason we entered the short position is pretty much because the super trend went red. Now, the super trend had a huge move down, and now we had this little bit of a pullback. And right here we can see on the pullback, this is where we entered our 2 positions, because we never want to enter short positions down here. What I want to do is I always want to wait for a pullback, and the pullbacks are really what does it. The pullbacks are really what gives us a better price. Whenever you're buying something, you always want to get the best price. It's so crazy because even when you go grocery shopping, you're looking for a sale and it's like 50 cents off, and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna buy it. So when it comes to the market, when it comes to trading, it really is just, this can make the difference between us getting take profit of a few $100s or $1,000, or not. So basically, waiting for a pullback, having that patience can pay off a lot. A lot of people really do FOMO. Alright guys, can you hear me now? Hello. Alright. Alright, can you guys hear me now? Are we back? Hello. Alright, it should be good. I guess my mic just died. Alright, awesome. Alright guys, so basically what we're waiting for always is this pullback, and that's what we're getting right here. So this is a great time for me when I see this, because we can see right here that the super trend is red, which means we're in a downtrend, and in a downtrend we want to get the best price possible. There we go. So we're getting this pullback. I already have a trade entered right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this ride out and see what happens. Let's see right here on the range bars what's going on. Yeah, that's a pretty solid uptrend that we're getting, and as soon as we start to see that reversal, that red candle forming on the range bars, I might actually enter another short position, but let's see what happens. We'll let this move right out a little bit. Robin is saying, yo, aka love this platform. Yeah, honestly, the auto trading platform is probably one of the best ones that I've found so far. The reason is because they have all of these nice features. The drag and drop stop loss really is one of the craziest features. And then trading bots. You can create your own trading bot. The nice thing is they already have a whole bunch of trading bots. If you don't want to create your own, you can actually just use one of these, and you can see this one, the absorption DSA trade, has 8,571 people who are using this bot. So if we just click it, it kind of takes you through exactly, where this trading bot will do a buy trade, where this trading bot will do a sell trade. It's actually insane. And all you have to do to activate this bot onto your trading platform is just click install for free. And then once you click that, it'll just activate and it'll be on your trading platform. And then all you have to do is when you click trading bots, you go under the either custom or forex or whichever type of bot it is, and then you can just add it to your chart just like that. It's actually very simple, very easy to do. So there's really no reason to be using any other platform. This is the platform to be using. The link is in the bio. You can get started. A lot of people will waste time, and a lot of people will lose a lot of money when it comes to trading. But what we're doing here is explaining to you guys exactly how to not lose money. And the way that we don't lose money is because right here you can see, even though I'm down around, let's say 1,500 on this trade, still it's way less than 1% of my balance, and I can easily have this trade hit my stop loss, and still it won't make a big difference. It still will be such a small percentage of my account that it doesn't matter. I know when a lot of you guys are trading, you guys are really worried and you guys are really stressed. You guys get really upset, but but the real way to do it is by making sure that your risk is so small that regardless of whether you hit stop loss or take profit, like we just hit stop loss right there, regardless of if you hit stop loss or take profit, it's not going to be a big deal, and that's exactly what we're doing here. It's not a big deal for me to hit stop loss because I know over time, and I'll show you guys right here, you can actually go to our trading history and let's just see over the past, for example, let's just see over the past month. Alright, so these are all my trades over the past month. And let's see how much we've done. So far, not too bad. We've done around 13,424 this month in profit, which is pretty good. And that really is with all of the trades that are also hitting stop loss and hitting take profit. So obviously there's winning trades, there's losing trades. But at the end of the day, it's all about consistency. Nothing else really matters because just like everything else in life, as long as you're being consistent, as long as you're following something through, and you're just continuing to push through, putting in effort every single day, that's when it's going to pay off. That's when you're going to be able to see results, and that's how I'm able to make money daily. It's just because I come live here every single day, I show you guys what I'm doing, and every single day we can make around like $1,000 to $3,000. If you have a smaller account, you can do even like $5-10 a day because that does add up. And you can start with however much you want. That's the nice thing when it comes to trading. You can start with whatever you want. Even if it's like $20, even if it's $1,000, even if it's $100,000, it doesn't matter. Even if you have 100, 200, 500, it doesn't matter. You can start with however much you want. So guys, don't waste time to get started right now. That's a nice big move up that we're getting. Let's go and see what's happening on the race bar. Guys, there we go. So we're having this nice big uptrend. It's still going pretty strong right here. As soon as we get to see this red candle forming, that's when I'll be looking for a nice short position. And let's see what happens right here. Alright guys, so our second trade just hit stop loss, and that's okay because what we're going to do is, there we go, so the super trade just went green. Alright guys, it just went green. What we're going to do is wait for a pullback. As soon as we get a pullback, we'll be able to enter this long position. So easy. I know people from all around the world using the bottle. You can get started right now. The link is in the bio. You get your account set up, they have demos so you can practice. And then the range bars are available on our website completely for free. But guys, look, the super trend is showing a nice big uptrend. So what I want to do is, I don't want to just enter and FOMO right at the top. As soon as we get this little bit of a pullback here, if we can get a better price, that's when I'll be entering this long position. But otherwise, guys, great entry for a long position. So congratulations to everybody who's in a long position right now. There's so much money to be made in the market every single day. There we go, we're pushing up, That's pretty crazy. That's a nice big move right there. Yo, Positron, what's good? Look at this massive move we're having on Bitcoin. That is insane. The super trend just went green, so what we're going to be doing is waiting for that pullback, if we ever do get one, and then potentially entering a long position. But oh my god, look to that massive candle, guys. That's insane. That is insane. Who's in a long position right now? Who is in a long position? Because whoever is in that long position is doing really well. Oh my god, look at this. I don't know if you've ever seen a bigger candle, but this is a huge candle. One candle, 200 points. That's insane. That is an insane candle. Let's wait for a pullback and see if we can get a nice entry. There we go. We're getting this pullback. That's a pretty good pullback. And let's enter a buy trade right here. Alright guys, if we push back lower, I'll enter another buy trade. We just entered this long position. You guys know I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit. Very simple. Just going to click and drag this down to 1,000. I'm going to click and drag this up to $1,000 for my take profit. There we go. We're actually pushing it down lower. That might be a great second entry, and you know what, there we go. I'm going to enter another long position. There we go. Alright, there's my second buy trade. I'm going to very quickly set my stop loss, and right here I'm going to click and drag this up, and that is my take profit. Alright guys, so now we're in two long positions. Let's just see what happens. We're going to... Yeah, that's an insane candle, guys. That was an insane candle. Let's see how our trades are going to do. We entered on the pullbacks on that candle. Let's see what's going on with the range bars. That was insane. There we go. So we had this downtrend. We're starting to see the green candle forming again. So let's see if we start to push back up. That was crazy. Now, welcome to everybody who's joining the live. I'm here every single day. We do these lives daily for you guys so that, you know, we're able to show you exactly how we make money daily, how we're able to take advantage of the markets, because most people don't really understand how to do this. But guess what? We've made it so simple that as long as you know how to click 3 buttons, you can get access to everything, you can learn how to do it, and then you can build the skill of trading the markets. And the one thing that I would always say to everyone is, guys, never ever pay to learn. Over here it's completely for free. That's why I come live, so I can show you how I do it. Now, it's very simple, okay? Very simple. I'll walk you through it. So we have 2 positions that we can enter. The first position is a buy trade. Okay, a buy trade means right here, these are the 2 buy trades we have open. If the market goes up, we're going to make money. That's exactly what we're hopefully going to happen right now. And then a sell trade is where we can make money on the way down. Now, here's the thing. The super trend, you can see that right here it goes red, then it goes green, then it goes red, then it goes green. Now what does that mean? It means that the moment it goes red, right here it went red, it means that the market is going to be coming down. And over here, the super trend went green, that means the market is going up. And let's see how our trades are now doing. Alright guys, so not bad at all. Right now, our one trade is in profit 200, the one we got on the deep pullback, and 279, not bad at all, $279 in profit. And the other one is around negative 200 because we got it a little too early on that, but the nice thing about the pullback is we were able to get in on that second trade as well. Thank you, HSM, for the gift. That's amazing. Appreciate it. And let's see, you know, the real way to understand how trading happens is all of this is possible because I'm risking less than 1% of my balance. The only reason that I'm able to be this consistent, the only reason I'm able to do well daily is because I'm risking less than 1% of my balance. That's really what it comes down to. I'm risking less than 1% of my balance. Robinhood is saying my birthday's in February. Alright, just a few months to go. And it will be birthday time for you, Robinhood. That's hilarious. Got some light tonight. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's laggy. I can tell too. What platform are you using? So I'm using the auto trade platform. The link is in the bio. I actually wouldn't use any other trading platform. I've been using them for almost a year now, and the deposit withdrawals are very, very fast. And let me tell you one thing, parenting heaven. The best part about Avado is that they have trading bots built in. So even if you don't have time, if you're new to trading, what you can do is you can actually just activate any of these trading bots, and like they have reviews, which is pretty funny. So right here, it's actually crazy. Like, look, there's about 8,700 people using this trading bot, and you know it tells you where it's going to be looking for long position, where it's going to be looking for a short position, where it's going to buy, where it's going to sell. And if you want to activate this right here onto your trading platform, you just click install free, and then like here, let me just add it to my chart and I'll show you. So it says add to terminal, click OK. There we go. It's as simple as that to add this trading bot. I didn't have to pay anyone. I didn't have to do any of those crazy things. And then all I do is I go through the trading bot, and right there is the bot that I just added. So all I have to do is then click here. I can basically set, you know, my risk. I can, you know, how much lot size I want to open per trade, my stop loss, my take profit, all of those things I can set, and then I just click apply. It's really the simplest platform with the best features that I have found. There we go. Alright guys, so we're having this deep pullback on in the markets right now. The super trend is still green, so what I'm going to do is let's go ahead and enter a long position. So I just entered a buy trade, and then and the way to set stop loss and take profit is actually so easy on Avado. I've actually, like, there's so many features here, which is why I never use any other trading platform. Click and drag down, and there we go. That's how I set my stop loss. Okay, very easily. Click and drag this up, and that's how I set my take profit. Now I'm just gonna set them at $1,000. I'm just going to let this trade ride out. There we go. Yeah, Positron, what's up, what's up? Yes, honestly, this community is amazing. Everyone is out here trying to help each other. If you want to join the community, the Discord link is in the bio. You can actually just join right away. Everything will always be completely for free. And you never ever need to, you know, pay for anything. So get started right away. That's what's up. Alright guys, so there we go, there we go. Alright, if we push down a little lower, we'll see what happens, but I might enter another long position. Yeah, TikTok, honestly, TikTok is amazing because we've been able to grow this community so fast, so quickly, and so many people are benefiting, and that's really what it comes down to. Let's see what happens with this trade.